Hey guys, welcome back to another one with Flutter Yo. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for clicking onto my channel. Please hit that like button for me, that would help me out so much. And we are out fishing today, dudes. I finally made it out to my favorite spot today. I had a little bit of running around to do in town, so I finally got out here. It's kind of late, so we're about 6 o'clock, so I am going to get everything all set up and get out there and see what is biting today, guys. If I would have got an earlier start today, I probably would have went live, but I kind of got a late start, and then Sunday, Monday, it's supposed to rain, so I don't know if there'll be a break in the rain. I'll get out here, but if not, then, I'll try. I will try. Otherwise, I'll figure out something else to do, probably. But I'm going to get this night crawler on there and get out there. Dudes, if it's still on there, it's a monster. Are you kidding me? Wait. Wait. Bass. I caught a bass. Look how little. A little baby. See you later, buddy. Is that what's down there? Little babies. Slow bite, but I'm gonna get another worm on there, get back out there, see what I can do. Dudes. Pan. Little ones. Where's the other ones at, dude? See you later, buddy. I don't know where they are. I want the big ones. Those are fun. Oh. Yuck. So gross. Well, I'm gonna get back out there, guys, and hopefully they will pick up. Pan. See you later, buddy. You ate my worm. Dang it. Okay, I gotta dig out another worm. Got one. It was fast. It's a little bit bigger. Pan. Got stuck in this dang tree over here, the bush. See you later, buddy. Thanks for not eating my worm. Okay, it is very slow today. So, I don't know what's going on. So, I'll get back out there and see if I can get another one. Got one, it came in fast again, dudes. Little tiny little thing. Pan. Wait. See you later, buddy. Where's the big ones at? Where'd they go? Probably done spawning, yo. Now I'm left with the babies. Okay. It's a slow bite today, dudes. I'm gonna get back out there. Pan. Got one. It was quick. Ooh, you're a nice one. It's the biggest one yet, dudes. A perch. He's a pretty good one. Uh-oh. Well, whatever. I'm wrapped up. Oh my gosh, it is so slow. So slow. Okay. Throw her back in, Flutter. See you later, buddy. I still got my worm. I know what it is, dude. It's the weather. Are you kidding me? Somebody has fishing line in there. Wait. There. Sorry. What the heck was I saying? Go away, bugs. The weather. We are going to be getting a cold front coming in, and so about like 60 degrees, and then the rain with it, so it's probably why it's slow today, I'm thinking. But at least you know, they are biting every once in a while. So I'm gonna get back at it, keep jamming some tunes and singing, and hopefully I'll hook. I've been casting the lure too, but nothing yet. Dude, it's so fast because I'm so close. Stop moving. Nice perch though. Perch, perch. But did he swallow it? Yeah. So I'm gonna get this out, guys. Get back to fishing. Dude, it's got heft. Come here, buddy. Ooh, pan. Ooh, it's a pan. Now that's a pan. Bow time. Shit. Pan. Nice, buddy. Where were you hiding this whole time? Whoop, whoop. Okay, buddy. See you later, girl. Whoop, whoop. That was my problem, dudes. If you do not have a hook full of nightcrawler or worm or whatever, or bait, they don't want it. Why am I stuck? So, I'm gonna get back out there and see if I can get another one. Okay, guys, they might be biting. So, give it a shot and see what they got. Bugs, back off. Hopefully they're starting up. Not sure, but they might be. You never know. If not, then I don't know what to do. I've been trying my lure and nope. There's nothing in there right now that wants it. Any one of them. I think there's something playing with my worm down there. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna watch my bobber. Come on, let's go. Yep. Made a liar out of me, dudes. But I do cast in the wrong spot. Oh, wait. You gotta eat it. Eat it. Oh, come on. I had like a little nibble. So I'll move it a little bit and see if that will attract it. And we'll see. I'm not sure, but I'm trying. They like my music, I swear. I need it. Dang it. Okay, well, they made a liar out of me today, didn't they? Dang it. Wait, what was that just jumped over there? Was that a dragonfly? Dragonflies have been like touching down in the water and then, you know, flying back off. But I was hoping to catch one, you know. I had just caught like 2 in a row, so I figured, okay, well, maybe they're gonna start biting, but I'm gonna get back at it. And then let go. Let go of it. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I am really wrapped up right now, dude. So I am going to get this fixed and a worm back on and get back out there. Got one, dudes. Got one. Might have swallowed it too, I don't know. Did you? Ooh, you're nice. You're a nice one, buddy. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me get the hook. Let go. Pan. You party. A lot of blue. It's a bluegill, but pan. See you later, buddy. That's right. Whoop, whoop. About time. Okay, I'm gonna get another worm on. I have 2 left in that container of the 24 night crawlers, so I'm gonna try and use them up tonight, yo. I still have daylight. Not a lot, but a little. So, gonna keep going. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying the videos, you know. The ones that comment, I know you are, so thank you. And I do try to get back to the comments. I'm just getting a little, you know, behind, but I did get back to them the other night. So, I will do my best on that. But when you get back out there, it's still a slow bite, so I do want to show you the sky, though, and a pontoon. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. Bugs, not so much. But, okay, I'm getting back at it. Got one. Got one, got one, got one. Come here, buddy. Not horrible. A lot better than before. Pan, 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 pan. See you later, buddy. Getting back out there, guys. Okay, that's really pretty. The sun is peeking through that little hole in the clouds. That is so cool. Beautiful. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let's see if we can catch one on film. We're gonna give it a shot, guys. Okay. I'm hoping, but we'll find out. Let's go. Good cast, Flutter. You know, they're not like crazy biting, but dang it. Biting a little bit better right now. Until I scared it. Jumped the gun. I did. Why? Oh. Come on. Gotta wait for it to take it. Quit nibbling it and eat it. Shoot. Hold on, let me get back out there. Worm's good enough. Uh-oh. Well, I'm trying there, guys. Caught one there last time. Okay, come on, eat it. I really don't want to, like... Oh. Come on. See that? I just, like, swam off with it. I gotta eat it. Hopefully the bobber doesn't come flying back at me, because they're a lot closer into shore, it seems like, right now, so... Okay, I'm moving it a little. Maybe? Oh. Yep, something got it. Thank God. Oh, I had him. I had him. Now my line's wrapped up. Oh, I got him. Or I got another one. That's totally another one, dude. That other one got off. Sweet. Okay. Come on. See you later, buddy. Okay. I'm gonna get another worm on. Okay, let's try this again. I almost caught the tree. That was close. That was really close. I don't know if that's a good spot, but that's where I'm at. Let's try it. Oh, hold on a minute. Something. Messing with it. Get out of there if you're not going to eat it. Get out of there. Did you eat it? No. Okay. Hold on. Try there. There's like bubbles in front of it. Let's go. Bite my flippin' poke you. Oh man. See? Every time. Almost every time. Okay. I'm gonna get back to waiting. Going, dudes. Nice flutter. Pan pan. Ooh, he's pretty. Hold on a minute. Pan pan. Got him good. Later, buddy. Sweet. Intruders. That pontoon's coming over. In my opinion, you got the whole lake. They're not coming my little chunk over here. I mean it. But I'm getting back out there. Oh my gosh, dudes. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, the mosquitoes are out. Wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Amazing. I had to show that, guys. Amazing. Just a little gift from God, you know. Sweet. Thank you. I love it. Okay. Wasn't that gorgeous, dudes? That is so pretty. The bite's kind of meh. Kind of slowed down a little, but I'll keep trying. Oh crap, now I can't see because of the sun. Oh, my bird is back. He's been here the whole time too again. But, okay. I can get back to waiting. And so, you know, I was just kidding about that boat being over here, so wanted to make sure you knew that. I hope they catch a handful of them. Oh, they just caught one. Little pan pan. Oh, a little pan pan. I think there's like 4 or 5 people in there. Something like that. Oh, I got a bite, I think. Wait, hold on. Do I or don't I? Maybe not. Maybe not. Shoot. Oh, I move it a little. There goes my bird. Oh, got a bite. Hold on. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it, eat it. Shit. He didn't bite on hard enough. Dang it. Oh, get out of the tree. Now I'm all wrapped up because of that bush. Dang it. Hold on, dudes. I'm trying. Oh no. There's a good cat. Wait. Oh good, I still have my worm. I forgot to open my bail. And then I cast in the wrong spot, so hopefully there's one over there. Way to go, Flutter. You know, it happens. Oh, I think I have a bite. Maybe? Oh, yeah, I do. Some little thing down there, probably. Would you just eat it? I really don't want to catch bait. Oh, I looked at the sun again. Now I can't see. Shoot. Bring me this way around. They're getting really close, dudes. Because they're spawning. I don't know. They might be done spawning. I don't know how long they do that. I want to say it's a couple weeks, but I'm not sure. So, looks like it's slowed way, way, way down. So I'm going to get back at it, guys. Got it! I just shut the camera. And boom! Boom! Ooh! You got a little bit of pink on you. Beautiful. Right in here. Wait. Don't. Ow! Don't do that. Pan, pan. Pan, pan. See you later, buddy. I still got my worm. Well, let's see if I can get one. Trying right there this time. Let's go. That'll bite. Yeah, maybe. Maybe not. It almost looked like it was swimming with it, but might have just been my worm settling, you know, and pulling the bobber. Probably, you know. Oh, I got him. I got you. Come here. Woo, come here, you little fighter. Woo, you're spunky. Sweet. Pan, pan. Ooh, beautiful Traeger's pan, pan. Wait, 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 girl. Wait. She's pretty. Look at them colors. Pan, pan. Pan, pan. See you later, alligator. And if you got my worm. I feel bad that, you know, they're not getting like something. A little bit of worm to eat. You know? It's so pretty. Okay. Well, let's try this again, dudes. You never know. Maybe I can get another one on the camera, yo. And it is very hard to double pull it when they are biting, so it's really hard to like cast the lure and have my bobber sitting out. But I have been trying. Just nothing wants lures right now. I don't know what they want. They're not feisty yet. Okay, come and get it. No? Probably have to sit here and wait a little bit, dudes. So, I'm going to sit here and hopefully they'll bite in a minute. This one bit fast. Pan, pan. Pan, pan. Not bad. Not bad at all. Sweet. Let go of the hook, dude. Let go of the hook. Thank you. Pan, pan. Pan, pan. See you later, buddy. Get back out there, dudes. Something's biting it. Something's out there. So eat it. It's getting to be almost that time of quitting. So, come on, eat it. I still got a little bit of worm to use up. No. Dang it. Oh, the sky. I will show you. Very pretty. I just love that picture right there with the trees and everything. That's awesome. Okay, well, I'm gonna get back to trying. Dang it. Let's try this again, guys. There's something out there. Oh, shoot. Dang it. He didn't have it good enough. You really gotta load up the worm on there, guys, for them to come after it. Whoa. Do I have to cast you back out already? No? Ooh, eat it. Got a bite. I had a bite. Okay, I'm smooching it. Come on. It's been pretty crazy, dudes. It'll like pick up for like 10 minutes, if that, maybe 5, and then it'll like completely stop, and then, you know. So I'm about done here. I want to try and get the sunset this time. There are clouds, but I don't think it'll cover them. I don't know. I didn't hear. I'm gonna have to do it soon, probably. So let me cast this thing back out there and see if something will bite it real fast. I don't know, but it might. It would be nice. Maybe? What about, yep. Come on. Got him. Little tiny thing too. Oh my gosh. That's the smallest one yet. Well, dudes, I'm ending it on the small baby. Pan, 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 pan. Oh, he's cute. Hold on, buddy. I want to show you off. Pan, 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 pan. See you later. Okay, dudes. I am going to pack up my stuff and then try and get that sunset in for you guys so you can see that. I can see it through the trees, so I'm thinking it's beautiful. So, okay. Okay, guys. Let's go check this out. It is beautiful. Okay, 1 minute. Another beautiful sunset, dudes. Oh my gosh. Wow. I knew it was going to be pretty. So, let me get closer to the water. It's crooked. 1 minute. That's pretty. The camera does not do it justice. Just saying. Wow. It's so beautiful. And then you got, you know, the clouds in the water. I love that. That is so cool. Bam. So pretty. Awesome. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I didn't do too bad. I was able to, you know, catch some. They weren't like biting left and right like normal, but, or like they have been, but still, I will take it any day. I am not skunk, dude. So, if you could, please subscribe, like, comment, share. If you put the notification bell to all, that'll let you know when I post another video or if I go live. And I might go in the woods later, which will be, it is what? It's Saturday night, so it would be on a Saturday. But until our next fishing adventure, guys, which, you know, it's going to be a couple few days. I got rain to wait for to go, kind of go through, and but anyways, I'm going to get going. Hope you have a great day, guys. Flutter out, yo.